Hi, I'm John, and I wanted to take a couple of minutes to introduce you to my new book, Wings Like Eagles. Wings Like Eagles came from a concept that I've had for a lot of years to create an aviation book that didn't look like every other aviation book on your shelf. So what I did is I teamed up with my two sons and with the Museum of Flying. And my two sons and I went out for roughly the last 20 years, and we've taken our own original photography at a wide variety of aviation events, air shows, military exercises, private gatherings, and more. In addition to that, from the Museum of Flying, we helped restore a photographic collection that included a wide variety of original factory photos from companies like Sopwith and Northrop and more, that we were able to work into the book and weave the story between the new images and the old, and take those dynamic color photos and those old historic black and whites and put the two together to hopefully give you an aviation experience that's a little bit unlike anything you've seen before. So the book's organized with a first flight's timeline. What I mean by that is I've organized each of the aircraft in the book by their first flight date. Their first flight date is the first time that that prototype aircraft took to the sky. So it's not necessarily the combat-ready finished airplane, but what's unique about that is it gives you an opportunity to see where the technology came in the timeline of all of the aircraft of World War II. The book starts with early dreamers like Leonardo da Vinci and the Wright brothers, who were first experiencing flight and its concepts. You'll get a chance to look at icons of aviation like the P-51 Mustang, the A6M0, the Me-262 first jet fighter from the Luftwaffe. I even include a few of the stories from the pilots that made these airplanes great. For your copy of Wings Like Eagles, go to jthow.com today. Enjoy your journey through aviation history, and I'll see you next time right here at jthow.com.